Hello, my crafty friends and not too shabby fans. I have a huge stack of paper pads here. I volunteered to do this video for Jamie, so that is why I'm on this channel today. And this is also going to be on my own channel, Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. But these are paper pads that Jamie and I talked about and decided to restock. So I'm going to put them out of the side. I'm going to put them to the side and we will go over them one at a time. But I'm not going to show you all of them or each piece of paper in them because that would make the video way too long. So this was very popular back in, I think, March. So we had yummy strawberries and then we had watercolor peaches. So both of those are now in the store. And then our quarterly release that was in maybe February. This paper pad was a very popular French toile, and that has been restocked and in the store. So you'll find that. I will link down below each paper pads so you can easily find it. And then another recent is the card fronts from the, I think this was the May box of the month, and you only got a sampling, and then Jamie put up some for sale as full packs, but the Tranquil Sea card fronts, how beautiful are those? So that has been restocked for you. And then we have some coffee pads that were restocked. So I've used up most of this one, so I only have a few sheets. And they're in another bag with another collection too. So I just pulled out the cover. Life Begins After Coffee. So that has been restocked. Some coffee paper pads. And then the Cream to My Coffee, which is a perfect companion to any of our coffee paper pads. And then the other coffee paper pad that we just restocked is Cafe Latte. And so now I am so excited. These have been restocked. These are all the lemon pads, and I wish I had asked Jamie to restock them sooner so that they would have been available for mine and Danny's Lemons with Danny, my series that I had with Danny, Lemons with Danny. I don't remember what she called it, but this one was Sweeter Than Sugar. So it was kind of a pink lemonade theme. So it has been restocked. Then the other one is Irresistible Delights. And that one has been restocked as well. Jamie still has the ephemera to this one. I did not check this one. But she still has some ephemera left for this one because that one was gorgeous. And a lot of this ephemera will go with any of the other lemon paper pads. And then this one came out and is in our quarterly release and goes perfect with the, let me think, with the PET tape, the PET tape, with the lemon gnomes. This paper pad goes beautiful with that. So this is Life is Sweet. This was our quarterly release along with the rest of the quarterly release in May. Yeah, I'm thinking May is the correct month. And then look. How exciting is this one? Sorry, I'll calm down. Lemons and Lavender. I only had like scraps left of this one, and now I have a whole paper pad. I am so excited. This one has cut aparts in it, and this one has 24 designs, 2 of each sheet instead of our normal 4 of each sheet, because there were so many designs when I designed this paper that I needed to add in some kind of solid basics, and then the designs were just beautiful in here. So I love that yellow and that purple and that green together. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. So those are the lemon paper pads that are restocked. And then I know I will link this video in the description box down below. I know that you've probably already seen it because Jamie did like a campaign on it and already showed it, but this is a Zest for Life. I wanted a new lemon paper pad so bad, so I just texted Jamie one day. I said, can we please do a brand new lemon paper pad? And she said yes. So we kind of, went back and forth to, what can we do that's new and different? And so we did this kind of black chalkboard looking lemon paper. And so that is the paper pad. It's got bonus sentiments. I'll link the video down below where Jamie showed all this. But you have sentiments on the back page here that are your black and white and yellow. And then on the inside cover, well, let me go ahead and open it just in case you missed it and you won't have to go searching for it anywhere else. We did, oh, I don't want to tear my paper. We did these sentiments on the back cover. Are those not beautiful? So, so that is what that looks like, and then you can check out Jamie's video to show all the rest of it. And so I will be using this paper pad and the Easy Wonder die number 3 for my last video for Lemons with Danny, which is next Tuesday. And I will be doing using those 2 items because the Easy Wonder die number 3 is coming in real soon. And so I asked Jamie, I said, after you fill all the ones that need to be fulfilled, I said, will you have some extras for sale? And she said yes. So I thought, well, let me use that to promote it and make this last set of cards. So I'm going to use that to make this set of cards for my video next Tuesday. So then I have a surprise. Jamie sent me an extra paper to do a surprise giveaway with this paper pad. So I will be doing a surprise giveaway for this paper pad. The way you can be eligible to win this paper pad is the same way you can be eligible to win any of the other prizes. You have to comment on every single video in the series, which was the whole month of July on Tuesdays. You have to comment on all of Danny's videos. You have to comment on all of my videos over at Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I will leave both of the playlist links down below. And yeah, this will be winner number 3 because I already showed 2 prize packages. So I will have 3 winners. I will pull 3 winners. So after the video on next Tuesday, then I'll come back on the following Tuesday and do a little video with the winners. I'm not going to do it live or anything, but I'll do a video. I promise, Scouts Honor or whatever, however you do that. It'll be on the up and up. I don't ever, do things, but I'll put everybody's name in a spinner wheel and do it that way. So this will be prize number 3. So this is a surprise prize for the Lemons collab that Danny and I are doing. So those are all the paper pads that have been restocked recently. I'm so excited about them. I'm especially excited. Well, I am very excited about using this, but I am especially excited about this. I did do a video with using the rest of what I did have of this in the Lemons collab, so that you can find that in the playlist. And I did use this in the Lemons collab, and I did use this one in the Lemons collab. And the only one I did not use was the Sweeter Than Sugar. So those are all the lemon pads that are restocked, the coffee pads, and the other fruit pads, strawberries and peaches, and the card fronts, and the French toile. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.